I have been doing free mentorship for CA students. So a lot of students are asking doubts. Now the issue is lot of students are asking similar doubts. So I want to address CA students with what similar doubts are they asking. The very first doubt they are asking is, so November 2024 paper, they told, everybody told that this is the last attempt in old syllabus, so it's going to be easier, but it was not easier. 2 lakh students failed in CA Inter and 1.5 lakh students failed in CA Final. It was not easier. So how are you telling me that CA May 2024 paper will be easier? First, I have two solutions for this. First solution, when you enter the CA course, you never thought that I will join this course, I will study, I will write, I will clear it. No, you know that it is going to be harder. There is a gap, there is a point in between also. You know that it is going to be harder. You know that you will overcome that hardness and you will study and you will clear the exam. You can do it. You, with that belief, you enter this course. The same belief I want for you in this May 2024. Second, when GST was first introduced, all the very first attempt, all the questions were from study material. When new syllabus in 2017 for CA students were introduced, every questions, almost 90% of the questions were from study material. Now a new syllabus is going to be introduced now also for May 2024 exams. It is going to be easier. Yes. We have seen the stats that it is easier earlier. Now, why not this attempt? It is not going to be easier. It is going to be easier. Yes. Good. So, first question, this is the question. Second question. So, what if those who's setting the questions are setting it harder? Sir, a person who's setting the question paper will not think that I will set a question paper and those 1 lakh whole students will not be able to write the answer. He will not set in such a manner. He will set a manner where if you know the concept, you will be able to, out of 10 marks, you will at least get 6 to 7 marks. That is how he will be setting the question paper. So for that, what we have to do, so that we are also able to write the questions. First, every student, when I ask them during this free mentorship, every student said that, sir, we studied all the questions. They are not saying that we study all the concepts. Students are directly jumping into the questions. Okay, we'll study this question from this chapter, we'll study these questions from this chapter. We will concepts. So I want all my brothers and sisters to study the concepts first and how this formula came. Second, third, do the questions. First, study the concepts, then do the theory questions. So, students, instead of jumping directly into the questions, start studying the concept, then look at the questions. You'll be able to do it. Yes, every all India rank holder, every person who passed the exam with good marks, first study the concepts, then they dive into the questions. That's the difference between those who have failed and those who have passed. So I request you to do it now. So we are unable to understand, sir. There are a lot of lectures. You can study it, and if you see me, I am taking CA Inter Law classes for free. If you purchase my book, you can get free classes. I will post here somewhere the website also. Okay. I'll tell now itself. Hassan Academy. If you type Hassan Academia, HASSAN you can go inside and you can purchase my book. Classes are for free, but I have taken classes for English and Tamil. Hindi classes I have not taken. So everybody, those who have taken mentorship and asking, sir, please bring Hindi classes. For you guys alone, I'm bringing Hindi classes. I will start by Jan 29 and by Jan by February 29, the classes will be over. You can see this in Android phone, or you can see this in your laptop also. I'll be doing the concepts, and I will be doing the questions also. So law, you don't have to fear at all. I am there for you, brothers and sisters. Yes. So for this, you have to, if you're buying my book, the my then which is you have you I'm not putting this in my website. You have to do a GPay in this number 9363683532. I'll come again, 9363683532. You have to do a GPay and WhatsApp the screenshot to this number. Yes, for you guys, I'll be giving the link, and you guys can watch every day what and all lectures I'm giving you guys. So this is for Hindi students. For English and Tamil, already I have given my classes. You can go to my website and you can watch it. For Hindi students alone, you have to do it. So concepts are clear, questions are clear. Yes, good. Now, next is after this is the first doubt we have solved, concepts and questions. Next is, so we are next question they are asking us is, so we are unable to write the answer. So we know the answer, we studied, but we are unable to write the answer. What is the solution for it? Writing practice. But students say, sir, there are thousands of questions in one subject. How can we do it? So if you see, one concept has 15 to 20 questions. So that's why it is ending up to 1,000 questions. If I'm talking about SFM in CA final, there'll be almost 1,000 questions. But if you see, if you take one question, I'm sorry, if you take one concept, and from that one concept you take one question, you can come up with something 200 question, 200 or 250 questions. That's it. You can every day from now on, if you do 2 to 3 questions every subject, before going to sleep, you have to write 2 to 3 questions. You don't have to write very neatly. You have to write very fast. You don't have to. Other person doesn't have to understand. You have to understand it. With this writing, what and all will it help you is, one, you will not miss the working notes. Lot of ICA is complaining that students are not writing working notes. The person knows 3 into 2 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. What, instead of they putting this in the working notes, they are directly writing 5. So instead, 2 marks is reduced. So one is the working notes. Second is how they don't know how to write immediately without writing. They don't know how to write in the exam. So if once you do the writing practice, you know for this question, this is how I'm going to write the answer. For this theory question, this is how I'm going to write the answer. This is the second point which help you in writing. Third point which help you in writing is presentation. You will know how to present the paper. So if you want a presentation video, kindly do subscribe to my channel, so that I'm going to make a presentation video very sooner. How to present a paper. Yes. Next. So this is how the writing question also solved. Next. Sir, I feel alone, sir. This is the next problem. See, so I feel alone. I don't feel like studying. Have one friend who helps you in motivation, who helps you clear your doubts. So having one friend where you can have a you can go to Telegram. There are a lot of students, yeah, you can connect with, or go to library. In CA final, I connected with friends, and I sat at home. I studied in CA Inter. I studied in library. So I had friends there. I joined together and we studied together, and we cleared CA Inter together. We cleared CA final together. So you have a friend if you are in CA Inter. You can have a friend and you can do articleship together. If you are a CA final, you can pass and you can go do Big Four together. Yes, yes. This is next. So one next question every student has. One day before exam, we are unable to revise. For this, the solution is very simple. This concept, how am I going to do the revision one day before the exam? Immediately, every concept you have to know. That's it. So you have to know for this concept, I'm going to do revision in this manner. This concept, I'm going to do the revision in this manner. Immediate now itself start preparing. So you will do it. But if you don't prepare, what you'll do in 3 days, 4 days before exam, you'll be searching the YouTube. One day before, how am I going to do the revision? And what? There'll be a lot of teachers who is giving free marathon. You will be listening to them. Yes, so this is one thing. But now, when that question also CA students has a problem. What is a we are unable to write? We saw that, but we are unable to write it. Answer is very simple. You are listening. You are not revising in the 1 day before the exam. You are studying. You are doing the marathon, but you are not doing self study 1 day before exam. Listening is different, but you have to do the self marathon. Yes, so that you have to revise. You doing self marathon is all good, but you have to do your self revision 1 day before exam. So self marathon will help you, but you may not be able to recollect, remind yourself when you write in the answer paper. So you have to do your own revision. Self marathon is for 8 to 10 hours. So it will take you. Marathon is for 8 to 10 hours, but you'll take some break in between. It will go to 12 or 14 hours. Where will you do self study? So I want you to focus on it. See marathon for like 2 hours. No problem. Where you don't have time to cover the entire syllabus, you can see the marathon for 2 hours, a particular concept. But you're seeing entirely, that is where people are doing mistakes. So these are the common doubts when I did mentorship they had. Hope this solves all your doubts. And if you have any doubt with respect to um, any doubt, let it be any doubt, you can. I'm giving free mentorship so that all my brothers and sisters clear the examination, you can call, you can text in 9363683532. So those who want classes for Hindi, I'm going to do the marathon. I'm going to do the marathon. They can do it. They can do the GPay in this number 9363683532, and they can WhatsApp it. Or those who want free mentorship, you can text in this number. I'll be answering you as soon as possible. Hello, my brothers and sisters. If you like this video, do consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me for making more such videos. Have a great day. Bye.